Get ready to recharge with this beginner-friendly, no-repeat strength workout designed to work your whole body in under 20 minutes. So go ahead, grab your chair and your dumbbells, and let's begin. For the first move, we'll begin with a dynamic crossbody stretch, warming up through our arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Start with your feet hip-width apart and your core engaged. Begin to alternate reaching one arm across your body, adding a gentle twist as you step your foot out. Continue with this energizing movement, flowing from right to left, moving through your own range of motion. Release and take a moment to pause before we move into our next exercise, a standing side crunch, designed to strengthen and tone your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. When you're ready, inhale, reach your left arm overhead, and on your exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, squeezing and contracting through your side body. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and take a moment to pause and catch your breath before we repeat on the opposite side. Stand with your left hip closest to the chair and your left hand to the chair for support. With an inhale, reach your right arm overhead, and on your exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body as you lift through your right leg. Release and take a moment to catch your breath before we turn up the heat, moving into a touch and go seated squat, strengthening through your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calf muscles, and core. Stand in front of your chair with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your toes turned open slightly. Clasp your hands out in front of your chest. Keep your chest up and your core engaged as you shift your hips back. Lower your hips to or towards the chair as you work to bring your thighs parallel to the ground if possible. Then squeeze your glutes and return to starting position. For more of a challenge, grab your weight, holding it in both hands in front of your chest, and continue moving slow and controlled, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and take a moment to pause before we move into our next exercise, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Moving into Romanian deadlifts, working through our glutes, hamstrings, and low back. With a dumbbell in each hand, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your knees slightly bent with your dumbbells in front of your thighs and your palms facing your body. Begin to lower, hinging at your hips, pushing your hips back, keeping your back flat and your weights close to your body, lowering the weight to mid-shin if possible. To come up, squeeze your glutes, drive your hips forward, returning to starting position. Continue with this movement, moving slow and controlled, bracing through your abs, locking your shoulder blades down and back, keeping your knees lightly bent with your back flat, without slouching or overarching in your lower and upper back. Release and take a moment to catch your breath before moving into our next exercise. Get ready to fire up your arms, shoulders, legs, and core with this plank position variation. Facing your chair, clasp the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet back, hip-width apart, with your shoulders over your wrists, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Keep your legs active with your body in one straight line from the crown of your head out through your heels. Continue here or adding on. With your hands to the seat of your chair, begin to alternate reaching and lifting through opposite arm and leg. Continue moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long, using your core to stabilize. Release and reconnect to your breath before moving into our next exercise. The standing calf raise helps to improve your balance and ankle stability while toning and strengthening through your calf muscles. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Using the chair for support, begin to lift and lower your heels. As you rise up onto your toes, squeeze your calf muscles, lifting through your heels. Hold at the top of the movement and then return to starting position, moving slow and controlled. Release and take a moment to pause, reconnecting to your breath, moving into a single arm row, working your back, biceps, shoulders, and core. Start with your right hand to the chair for support. Keep your core engaged and your spine long, holding your dumbbell with a neutral grip. On your exhale, pull your dumbbell in towards your side, squeezing your shoulder blades together and down your back without rotating your torso. Inhale to starting position, exhale as you row. Release and take a moment to pause before we repeat on the opposite side. Place your left hand to the chair for support. Keep your core engaged and your spine long, holding your dumbbell with a neutral grip. On your next exhale, pull your dumbbell in towards your side, squeezing your shoulder blades together and down your back. Inhale to starting position, exhale to row. Release and take a moment to pause before we move into our next exercise, a dumbbell lateral raise, working through our shoulders and back. Sitting tall with your core engaged, hold your dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing in. With a slight bend in your arms, raise your dumbbells out to your sides about shoulder height. Pause at the top of the movement, squeezing through your shoulders and back, and slowly lower to starting position. As you continue with this movement, move slow and controlled, working to lead with your elbows as you raise your dumbbells out to your sides, and then slowly lower to starting position. Release and pause, taking a few slow deep breaths here. Moving into a seated hammer curl, working your biceps. Sitting tall with your core engaged. Hold your dumbbells with your palms facing each other in a neutral position. Curl your dumbbells up, moving only at your elbow joints, keeping your upper arms still and perpendicular to the ground, squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Slowly lower to starting position and continue with this movement. Make sure you're gripping your dumbbells, squeezing and contracting through your biceps and abs, working to keep your upper body still without swinging your weights or using momentum as you curl your dumbbells in. Release and catch your breath before we move into our next exercise, a single arm overhead extension, strengthening through our core and triceps while improving shoulder mobility. Begin by sitting tall with your core engaged. With your dumbbell in your left hand, raise it overhead, using your right hand to your arm for support. Lower your dumbbell, bending at your elbow, contracting through your triceps, and return to starting position. Continue with this movement, keeping your upper arm as still as possible, without locking your elbow at the top of the movement, using your core to stabilize. Release and take a few deep breaths before we repeat on the opposite side. With your core engaged and your dumbbell in your right hand, raise your dumbbell overhead, using your left hand to support your arm. Lower your dumbbell, bending at your elbow, contracting through your triceps, and return to starting position. Release and take a moment to pause before we move into seated ab exercises, strengthening through our hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Extend both your legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, draw both knees in towards your chest and extend. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, using your core to stabilize. Release and let's take a few minutes to cool down and stretch out, beginning with the seated cat-cow stretch variation, stretching through your neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. Release and take a moment to reconnect to your breath before moving into our next stretch, a seated figure 4 variation, stretching through your hips and low back. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Adding a twist, lift your torso to upright, keeping your right leg where it is. Use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center, taking a moment to reconnect to your breath before we repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs. Adding a twist, lift your torso to upright, keeping your left leg where it is. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the left, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center, taking a moment to pause before moving into our last stretch, a seated forward bend variation, stretching through our hamstrings, back, and arms. Begin by extending both your legs forward. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, and on your exhale, place your hands to your thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. Release and return to center. Workout completed. Great job and keep up the momentum. Be sure to like and subscribe as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. See you next time.
Now that was good.